आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Our question is fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate word from those given in the brackets. The blanks is the electron trapped in anion vacancies in metal excess defect are called. First we know about that what is metal excess defect. In this defect, the positive ions are in excess. This is called metal excess defect. This is metal excess defect arise due to two ways. First, anion vacancies, and second, extra cation in interstitial sites. Now here we know about that anion vacancy. So what is anion vacancy? Negative ions may be missing from lattice site, leaving holes in which the electrons entrapped to maintain electrical neutrality. The electrons entrapped in anion vacancies in metal excess defect called F center. The electron trapped in anion vacancy metal excess defect are called F center. F is Fabre-Center, and meaning of this word is color center. Okay, so electrons trapped in anion vacancy metal excess defect are called F center.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।